Listen up, you lot! Today, we're diving headfirst into the belly of the beast, American cuisine. Forget the fancy foams and the microscopic portions. This is about good, honest food that sticks to your ribs. We're talking about the top 5 American dishes you absolutely have to try. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Get ready to loosen your belts and prepare your taste buds because this is going to be a wild ride. You call yourself a food lover and you haven't had a proper American hamburger? For shame! We're talking juicy, perfectly seasoned patties dripping with melted cheese, crisp lettuce, and tangy pickles, all nestled between toasted buns. The hamburger found its home in America, evolving into an absolute icon. From roadside diners to upscale gastropubs, you'll find a burger joint on practically every corner. Right, let's talk about another American classic, the humble hot dog. Don't let its simplicity fool you, this is a flavor bomb waiting to explode. We're talking juicy sausages, often smoked or grilled to perfection, nestled in soft, fluffy buns. Now, the Germans might try to claim this one with their frankfurters, but Americans have truly made it their own. Whether it's piled high with mustard, relish, onions, or even chili and cheese, the variations are endless. Head to a baseball game, a street food market, or even a gas station, and you'll find these bad boys sizzling away. It's a true taste of Americana, and you'd be a fool to miss out. Apple pie. It's as American as, well, more than a sweet treat. It's comfort, tradition, and home-baked goodness. Flaky crust, cinnamon-spiced apples, warm with vanilla ice cream. Heaven. The Brits invented it, but Americans perfected it. Early settlers brought it, and it became a generational staple. Found in diners to fancy restaurants, each with a special touch. Barbecue ribs, the king of Southern comfort food. Now we're heading down south for some finger-licking good barbecue ribs. This ain't your average backyard grilling, mate. We're talking about slow-smoked, fall-off-the-bone tender ribs, slathered in smoky, tangy, and downright addictive barbecue sauce. This is where American barbecue truly shines. Each region has its own unique style and sauce, from the vinegar-based tang of North Carolina to the sweet and smoky flavors of Kansas City. Get yourself to a proper barbecue joint, put on your bib, and get stuck in. Trust me, you'll be licking your fingers and wanting more. Clam chowder, a taste of New England. Finally, we're heading to the Northeast for a taste of the Atlantic. Clam chowder. This creamy, comforting soup is a New England classic, perfect for warming you up on a chilly day. We're talking about tender clams, chunks of potato, smoky bacon, and aromatic herbs, all simmered in a rich and creamy broth. Forget those thin, watery excuses for chowder. This is the real deal, packed with flavor and texture. Head to any coastal town in New England and find yourself a chowder shack. Get a bowl, grab a crusty bread roll, and savor every spoonful of this seaside delicacy. Subscribe for more culinary adventures. So there you have it, you lot. The top 5 American dishes that'll have you booking a flight across the pond faster than you can say cheeseburger. From the iconic hamburger to the comforting clam chowder, American cuisine is a melting pot of flavors and traditions just waiting to be explored. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below which dish you're dying to try. And make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of our culinary adventures. Thank you for watching.